So I said I was going to try an ADV style helmet. What I got here is a Z1R Range. I call this one Uptake. I guess because it has these white stickers on it. Yeah, it's just flat black and white. Z1R Range. It is 2205 DOT. See, it weighs almost 4 pounds. But I tell you what, it feels pretty light. This is $100 helmet. Yeah, I think I paid $130, something like that. But it's not that bad. And the pads are pretty soft. No firmness at all there. But you know, it seems pretty comfortable. Didn't have anywhere for a speaker pocket, so I just hired a crackhead with a spoon. Melted my own right in there. It worked out okay. Yeah, it actually worked out perfect. So heat the spoon up, melt her right in. It actually feels a lot lighter than my HJC Pro 11 Carbon, but according to the sticker, it's not. But on my head, that's what matters. It's got a drop-down visor. That works really nice. It's pretty clear. Not foggy or, you know, it locks. Locks up, locks down, easy to access. No problems there. Visor works well, closes. You know, there's no lock or detents or anything really. Probably is detents on the way up. Yeah, you can feel them. You know, I usually have it all the way down. I just put it down like that. There's not a heck of a lot of ventilation in this thing. It's got these two little vents here that come up right there. Nothing in the front here. You got this for exhaust. Two little vents here. So not much going on there. You can take, they did send hardware, so if you take the visor off and this little wing, you put pieces in to cover it up and wear it with goggles. It isn't a bad idea. I wanted to try the one with the visor. ADV. Actually, it's pretty nice. Even for 130, 140 bucks. Got it through Speed Addicts. Threw on my $30 Amazon Music system. Perfect for the cheap helmet. That works really well. There's a little bit of wind noise. I can hear the wind, but this helmet doesn't fly around, doesn't move around. It's pretty stable, which is pretty surprising with this duck bill on the top here, but when you get in some heavy wind, it will move side to side, but it doesn't buff it, you know. I don't get any of this shaking. It's either just a little steady pull, or it's like my MX helmet. And like I say, it rides light. That's a thing. Feels light on my head. You got super huge eye port, especially at the top. So you don't gotta be bending your neck like crazy to fucking, you know, you got your head bent and your eyes up. Would I take this out if I had a sport bike and I was riding highways at 140? Probably not. But cruising around town, you can do like 80 max, 80, 90. This ain't bad. I haven't tried it over that, so, but I haven't felt, like I said, I haven't felt it pulling up or anything. It might be completely fine. If you're looking for a first helmet, it ain't a bad choice. Actually, the ADV style helmets ain't a bad choice overall. You know, you can get a lot better ones. I never even considered a helmet like this, but even this cheap one really impresses me. Especially compared to my Pro 11 Carbon, which is nice. But this style, it just seems like you can see a lot more. And it's a lot more comfortable on your head, especially for your neck. I wish I would have put the speaker pockets in, but I said they weren't no big deal. Just melt them in. You can get different visors. I was thinking about getting the silver mirrored one. We'll see. Wanted to get the helmet first, and it's only like 20 bucks, so they're not ripping you off on visors either. Seen the price of visors for the HJCs and the other popular ones? Damn near another 100 bucks a piece. All right, let's get back to riding. Get out there. Bye.